social strategy that I use in my classroom, both in my entrepreneurship course as well as my STEAM studio courses, is a focus on peer competition. When students feel that there is a destination beyond the teacher's gradebook for their work, they take a certain amount of care and they put a certain amount of effort in when they know that others are going to see it, others are going to evaluate it and give them constructive feedback. But when you create an opportunity for students to actually compete for recognition and for the sort of the proof that their work is superior, if it's done in a positive and constructed context, then the students are so much better for it. And they're more engaged and they're more deliberate in how they create and how they execute and implement and also how they refine. They're more interested in hearing constructive criticism, both from me as well as from their peers, because they're trying to get somewhere. There's a journey and they feel like they're part of it.